Siyempre, 50th anniversary, so gano'ng kahalaga sa inyo na maglalaro kayo sa special day ng PBA?
Well, it's an opportunity for us because that's our 50th anniversary, and we're up against the team that beat us in the All Filipino. And I think we're focused on that game, but not we're not. There's no grudge match between us, but we have to do better because that's the only way for us to redeem ourselves. And it's good na hype itong game na ito because of anniversary, and good for the basketball community. And I hope na ma-realize namin na that is a very prestigious game.
May jersey na kayo, Coach?
Sila meron, pero ako yata wala.
So, maglaro
Coach, going to that game, ano tingin mo, and based on this game, ano ba kailangan nyo improve on?
Yeah, I still have to improve a lot of things because this team is different from the first few years with San Miguel, because I was able to develop the attitude of the player, the mindset, and we're able to get the winning attitude, and that's something now we have to get back, because when you have the winning attitude, you don't want to lose it, especially in the finals, because they know if you win a championship, there's many things that are good things that could happen to the team, good for the family, good for the players, everything. That's why winning is a winning attitude ang kailangan namin. And I think slowly, by winning in the first few games, I think it will give us a lot of confidence, especially those players na with us in the last 10 years, because they are the veterans and they know how to win.
Ilan, may timeline ba kayo, tingin mo, para sa'yo, bago nyo makuha yung winning attitude, maibalik yung winning attitude?
Once we get into the playoffs, in the top 4, I think slowly the confidence will back. But right now, it's just a one game. So we're thinking one game at a time, because I said next game namin is Meralco, and they won against Converge, come from behind. And that's one thing I saw from them. Their game, they know how to play. They know how to lose, they know how to win. And that's something that we have to develop with a lot of players. Although, some of the players talagang keep on winning. CJ was able to win 2 times in our team, and they know the glory of winning a championship.